Hello, I'm Apple, your friend. Today, I would like to read a message from insurance policy. Nais niya pong ipaabot ang mahalagang mensahe para sa atin. Bakit nais niya ipaabot ang mensahe na ito? Upang mas maunawaan natin how important for us to have a life insurance to secure our life. Dahil para ito sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. Imagine if you are a single dad, a single mom, or ikaw ang inaasahan ng iyong pamilya. Something happened to us na sila ay umaasa sa atin. Life insurance policy will taking care of them. Please understand the message from life insurance. Hello, I am your life insurance policy. You and I have a similar purposes in this world. It is your job to provide food, clothing, shelter, schooling, medicine, and other things for your loved ones. You do this while I lie in your safe deposit box. I have faith and trust in you. Out of your earnings will come the cost of my upkeep. At times, I may appear insignificant to you, but someday, and who knows when, you and I will change places. When you are laid to rest, I will come alive and do your job. I may provide food, clothing, shelter, schooling, medicine, and other things for your family. Will continue needs just as you are doing now. When your work and labor are done, mine will begin. Through me, your hands can carry on. Whenever you feel the price you are paying for upkeep is unburdensome, remember that I can do more for you and your family than will ever do for me. If you do your part, I will do mine. Sincerely yours, Life Insurance Policy. Napaka-touching po ng mensahe na ito na pinaabot para sa atin. Especially nang sinabi niya na when your work and labor are done, mine will begin. Through me, your hands can carry on. Very short message but full of meaning na sana ihan po natin ang bawat kataga sa sinasabi sa sulat na ito. Imagine if we have a young children. Tayo ay single mom, a single dad. Tayo ang inaasahan nila. We wake up every day. Lumalaban tayo bawat araw for us to support them. Yes, ginagawa natin ito dahil mahal natin sila. Hindi po yun questionable yung pagmamahal na yun. But please try to understand, not end up only we work every day. We think only for their future now. But we need to think also the future of our loved ones. If something happen to us, na tayo ang inaasahan nila. Who will taking care of them if something happen sa atin? We never know ang mga pangyayari sa buhay. It's better na ihanda po natin ang mga bagay na ito. Hindi po ito kawalan sa atin, bagkos ito po ay magiging matibay, mas magiging maayos ang ating pamilya if we have this policy for them. Araw-araw tayo nagtatrabaho para sa kanila. We need to think also the days na wala na tayo sa paningin nila. The love will continue if you secure your life, if you get a protection. That protection will be to your loved ones. And your love na sinasabi sa pamilya mo will continue until the rest of their lives.